Personally speaking, whenever it came to my gaming experience, Minecraft was always a repeat. Between making worlds, sharing them with friends, I can't figure out a much better or efficient way to do so than by making my own gaming server. And here's how you can make your own as well. To start off modifying and adding to your server, we first need to back up all the data and make sure that we are handling it in a secure and proper manner. For this, I use the application Timeshift. I have personally set up my application for Timeshift to periodically back up a few versions at a time, and when I need to, I can always use that as a restore point and offload that to a different device or drive, so in that way, if the server crashes, I don't lose everything all at once. So the first thing to do whenever you're starting on this after you back up your system is to update your server to the latest and greatest of applications and packages. That way you can make sure that it maintains towards the future and you don't have to worry about any possible errors. Now to start building our Minecraft server, because it works off of Java, that's the edition that we're using, we need to download the open source Java development kit. In order to do this, there are 3 steps needed to install Java. First, you need to add the repository. Secondly, you need to update all of the packages again so you can see all the possible applications you can install. And then, based off of the version number you desire or need for this project, you need to install that version number specifically. You can technically do other ones as well, mostly just based off of backwards compatibility, but for the most up-to-date and stable version, let's just say it's the most up-to-date and stable version that it shows. Now, at this point, if you do have a firewall enabled or added to your server, I currently don't because I am taking note of all of these to then show you later on, it would be a great point to actually let Minecraft access a port in your firewall, so that way there are no issues on connecting. Now, in order to actually run a Minecraft server, first we need to make sure that we can run other applications dynamically throughout the entire system. For that, we're going to be using an application called Screen, which is a virtualization application that will let us set up certain sessions of certain applications and have them run constantly without us needing to interfere and constantly boot them up anytime we wanted to do that. After that, for the final piece of setting up this process, we need to then use the wget command to download the Java Server Edition that we need for our Minecraft server. The link is in the description below. Okay, fun part starts now. After this setup process is done and you've downloaded everything, all the tools, applications, files that you need, next thing we need to do is start a screen session using the command green. We can start a virtual instance to then host our Minecraft server, so that way it is always running whenever we are not SSH'd into our server. Now, after starting our virtual instance on our server, thankfully Mojang makes it extremely easy for us to actually run a Minecraft server, mostly by adding a command underneath the download link so we can run and automatically have our Minecraft server up and running anytime we run that command. To start the Minecraft server, we need to run that command, but it won't immediately start a Minecraft server because you need to edit a few files first. Now, after you have successfully run the Minecraft server command from the Mojang download page, you should see an extra file that says End User License Agreement, or EULA. Go ahead, nano into that file using nano and the name of the file, and then you should see a few options for accepting a license agreement. Everything that's no or false, change to true, and then that should be fine. After that, you're good to run the command again, and you will have started your own Minecraft server. Now, the last thing to do would be exiting your current screen session to not interfere with any of the major settings, although there is a file where you can edit the configuration settings to change a few Minecraft world information, such as the seed, the command values, and a few other things such as that. But to exit the screen session, you just need to hold down Command, Alt, and T to exit your screen session, and it will then be running in the background so you don't have to worry about any interference of other commands or programs whenever you go to edit on your server again. Congratulations, from this point you have officially made a Minecraft server. What you can do now is exit from your server, mostly just SSH out of it, and then open up Minecraft, add a multiplayer server with your current IP that you're using, and join your world. Now, this was definitely a very quick and easy video, debatably easy, but that was also the point. Mostly because this is a more so start to a few other things I'm going to try to do, which is shorten videos so it's actually easier to maintain, and also push out information more so that way it's much easier to digest. With that being said, please like and subscribe, and if there are any things that I could possibly make a video on that you could probably benefit from, please leave those commented down below. And if you would like to see me play on the server every now and then, I will be leaving my Twitch link down below as well, so I could possibly even play live on my Forever World, which I might start an actual series on Twitch.